Lituanica X was born in year 2018 by one enthusiastic father.
Basically, it was a project dedicated to one child initially. We started from Lego education products, and therefore from one child a team was born.
The first our competition year 2022, Houston, first Lego League, 14th place, and winning the prize of Best Design. And then in the same year 2022, it's Switzerland, first Global Challenge, first place. And last but not the least, the most recent, year 2025, first Global Challenge, second place.
To be part of this team for me meant to have friends, to have a passion and something I care about, and also improve my engineering skills in general.
And therefore now we are more than 100 times bigger than it was when it was established. And currently what I'm the most happy, we are spreading robotics and engineering not only in capital Vilnius, but as well in other cities of Lithuania.
I joined Lituanica X movement maybe 2 years ago, and we almost instantly decided to design the start robot for new teams because the robots in this competition is very complex, and we advised them to use Solidworks.
So I use Solidworks to design the whole robot design, firstly with the separate parts and then combine them into one.
Basically our whole robot from the ground up is constructed in Solidworks.
I think the feeling that you designed your own robot is a very powerful thing, and such tools like Solidworks that gives that power to hands of children, students.
Since 2023, INRE has been supporting Lituanica X teams by providing educational SolidWorks licenses as well as consulting and mentorship to the teams. For me as a mentor, it was beautiful to see how much they managed to achieve in such a young age. Gives me true hope for what else they can achieve in just a few years more time.
I strongly believe that Lithuania needs engineers, and the whole world needs good engineers. And that's not to destroy something, but to create sustainable and a peaceful future.